I'm Julie Rodskelders. I'm the Graduate Program Coordinator here at the College of Liberal Studies. I've been here since 2006, and I work on a variety of administrative and academic issues, including course and program development, as well as student advising, admissions, and plagiarism. The College of Liberal Studies has offered graduate and undergraduate degree programs to non-traditional students for close to 50 years now. Our average student age is 38. Most of our students work full-time, and many of them have family obligations that they deal with as well. We also are serving an increasing number of military students with our programs. Online education has grown rapidly in the past few years, and part of my job is to make sure that the Graduate Program Office functions in the most efficient way possible to meet the needs of our students. I grew up in Indiana, in Mooresville, and went to school at Ball State, where I earned a bachelor's degree in philosophy and political science. I earned a master's degree in public administration and a doctorate in public policy from Indiana University. As part of my graduate study, I moved to Leiden, the Netherlands, to work at the University of Leiden, and there I met my husband Jos and got this really long last name. We had both of our children in the Netherlands in 1992 and 1996, and then in 1998 we moved to Norman when my husband was offered a job here at OU as well. We really loved living in the Netherlands, but we loved the space, the sunshine, and the friendly atmosphere of Oklahoma. I have a lot of admiration for our students who are working on their graduate degrees while they're raising children and working full-time. And I just want you to know that you can call me or email me or contact me at any time if you have any questions or concerns about any aspect of your academic program. I wish you the very best of luck.